Today we're going to be talking about division. What is division? How does division work? All about it, because you're going to need to know it, all right? Right now in math, we're kind of doing reviews, so it's only like little lessons of all these different things. And I know last year was like a wonky, funky year, so we didn't actually get to division in 3rd grade, which means you need to know a little bit more about it before we start working with it in Accelerate. So today we're going to talk about division. What is division? Division, this is the definition, division is the action of separating a large group into smaller groups, okay? So it's the action of separating a large group into smaller groups. So say I baked some cookies. Let's say I baked 18 cookies. I have how many cookies? We're gonna use magnets so that you guys can see them a little bit better. We're gonna have 18 cookies. I can't get the magnets apart. There we go. 18 cookies, 18 cookies, cookies. Well, we'll get those cookies back later. Alright, so we got 18 cookies up on the board right now. So if I'm working with the number 18, and we're going to say we have 18 cookies. How many groups are there right now? There's one. Because 18, we're going to go to this side, divided by 1 means there's 18. See, one group, there's all 18 cookies. But my friend's coming over to the house, and it wouldn't be very nice if I ate all 18 cookies without sharing, right? So I'm going to split 18 cookies into 2 groups. What is 18 divided into 2 groups? How many cookies are in each group? It's not 18 anymore because now here's one group, and here's one group. How many are in each group? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's 9 cookies in this group. There should be 9 in this group, but let's double check. We always want to double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good, there's 9 cookies in that group. So what is 18 divided into 2 groups? Very good, 9 cookies. This farmer forgot her Lego. Okay. But unfortunately, another friend's coming over to the house. And now it wouldn't be very nice if 2 of us had 9 cookies, but the other friend had 0 cookies. So what Ms. Farmer's going to do is I'm going to put all 18 cookies up here, and we're going to separate them out, okay? So if I said, okay, well now there's going to be 3 of us, part of them are going to go here, part here, and part there. All right, see how there's 3 sections? We're separating out 18 cookies. We can literally do this one at a time. It was easy to split it in half. We just drew a line down the middle of them. Separating them into thirds is a little bit harder, but we can do it and we can move it. You can get things at home that you can move. Ms. Farmer really likes to do this with M&Ms, but the M&Ms wouldn't stick to the board, okay? So every time I put 1 cookie in one section, I have to put another cookie in the other section. I can't put 4 cookies in this first section without doing anything else. You do one at a time. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Did it work? We don't have any left over, so it must have worked evenly. Let's double count and see how many are in each section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so I had 6 in this group. If I have 6 in both of these groups, then it divided evenly and we have an actual answer. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, got 6 in that group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 6 again. So we know that 18 cookies divided into 3 groups equals, very good, 6 cookies. You guys are too friend come over to the house. Now it's me and a friend and a friend and a friend. Can we have 4? Let's try it. I'm going to erase this again, and we're going to make a group. We're going to split it into 4. So we're going to put all the cookies back up top again, hide them all, put them out of the way, so that we can separate them out. Ooh. Apparently, these cookies like to leave black marks on my board. I don't like that. Alright, this time we're just going to separate our board like this. See how there's 1, 2, 3, 4 spots? We're going to do that. Again, we have to do 1 cookie in each spot. We can't just put, okay, those cookies go there. No, we do 1 in each spot. Keep going and going and going. Uh-oh. All the cookies are gone, right? There's none left over up here. But are all of the groups even? Let's count and double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cool, there's 5 in that group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, cool, so far so good, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, there's only 4 there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4. Which means this did not divide evenly. If not all the groups are the same, this division is not correct. 18 divided by 4 does not give you a normal answer. It doesn't give you a regular answer. What this tells me is if I take one of these cookies away and one of these cookies away, my groups will be back at 4, right? Okay. So this tells me that I can have 4 groups of 4, but I'll have 2 left over. And the way we write that is when we have 18 divided by 4, it'll equal 4 in each group with a remainder, a little r, of 2, because there's 2 left over. So me and my other friends could all have 4 cookies, but there'd still be 2 cookies left. And it wouldn't be fair for 2 of us to get those cookies and the other 2 friends not to get those cookies. Does that make sense? Okay, we're gonna try by 5 and then by 6. So we got a little bit of time left, so let's see if this keeps working. I'm gonna erase this X here and I'm gonna write it equaled 4 remainder 2 cookies. Because that's what it equaled, right? We had 4 in each group plus 2 left over. Let's slide all of these back up top here. And let's try to make 5 sections. We're gonna use that. If I go like this, I guess 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that works, right? Almost like a pentagon. Miss Farmer could draw better. Alright. Again, 1 cookie in each section at a time. 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Before I even start with these last ones, can you guess, am I going to have enough? And I need 5. Am I going to have enough? No. So before we put those in and figure out that that didn't complete it all, let's count them. Right now, there are 1, 2, 3 in each group, right? You see that? But how many are left over? So 18 divided by 5 is just like 18 divided by 4. It doesn't actually give you a real easy answer. How many were in each group? Very good. 3. And how many are left over? 3 cookies are left over. So it's 3 with a remainder of 3 cookies. Alright? This is just an intro. It's okay if you don't understand everything that we're doing right now. because you're gonna practice this, and you're gonna have chances to ask me questions, and we're gonna go over this, all right? We're gonna do it one last time. This last time, we're gonna do it by 6. We're gonna do 18 divided by 6. And I know some smarty pants right now are watching this going, I know that answer. I'm sure you do. I hope you do. We kind of already did it today. But real quick, we'll push those out of the way. I'll make it into 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You guys agree? Cool. Good. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It worked. 18 divided by 6 definitely worked. We can count and figure out what the answers are, but right away I want to write my 18 divided by 6 equals, what does it equal? How many are in each group? You guys should be saying, 1, 2, 3, Miss Farmer, there's 3 in each group. There are 3 cookies in each group, all right? And those of you who are super smart probably already knew that, because this and this are opposites. We had 3 groups with 6 in each, and then we had 6 groups with 3 in each. It works both ways, guys. Okay? Go ahead to Seesaw, do your activity. If you have any questions, send me a message. I'm always answering them. Or I'll be sending your activity back. So ask me a question before I have to send it back to you. And that's all for today's lesson. This was an example. You're going to work on an example. Your number is 24. Do your best.